Hello, everyone. So, till the last class, we have created the homepage, courses, and individual course page, marketplace, and individual product page, support. We have created the checkout. We have created the cart page. So, today in this video, we will try to make the dashboard page. So, in order to make the dashboard page, we have to at first plan how can we make the dashboard. All right. So, let me now go to this project and okay, I need to enter into this directory where we have the project, and then we will run the project. And now let us click reload the page, and we can see this is the dashboard. All right. So I will now go to ChatGPT where we have discussed about the we have discussed about the planning of the website, and let us ask ChatGPT what should be the options which we have to give in the dashboard so that it looks premium. What should be the options that we should give to the AI? We should give that we should add in the dashboard to make the website look premium. All right, so let us wait and see. Okay, so it asked me to give an overview so that the premium feature starts like total purchases, active courses, downloads count, recent activity, then progress snapshot, then my learning, enroll courses, continue learning button, progress bar, last watched lesson, then products, purchase source code, download button, person info, documentation link, download center, all downloadable files in one place, filters, download history, wish list. So for the time being, I won't be adding the wish list, then orders and billing, then profile settings, then notification. Okay, so accept the wish list, give me the prompt to generate the dashboard. Right. So let us now copy the enter prompt. I will now copy it. Then I will go here, paste it. I will go up and tell revise the user dashboard design. Okay, and we missed the last option. We'll paste it here, and then we will select maybe Gemini 3.1 Pro because we have already exhausted all the limits of Sonnet or maybe Opus. All right, now let us go to the dashboard. And yes, we can see the dashboard, my learning, my products, downloads, orders and billing, notification, support, and profile settings. If I go to my learning, we can see explore courses, my products, then downloads, orders and billing. I think this page has not been done yet. Let us go to dashboard once again, and we will try to reload the page. Okay, so let us now go to courses, and I will try to purchase this course, enroll now, and then I will go to the cart. I will only be purchasing the course, and then we will click on checkout, complete purchase. I will now go to dashboard. We can see the recent activity, and then 3 purchases. We will now go to my learning. The course has not been added up here. If I go to my products, so there are some issues. The courses are also getting counted inside the downloads. All right. Okay. Let us now check the mobile responsiveness. We can now see the mobile menu for the courses page. Sorry, the mobile menu for the dashboard page is not yet visible. So let us now go here, mobile left menu not visible on mobile, plus add cards. Let's go here, add cards on the dashboard. So I can see the cards are already done. Make the dashboard more attractive and professional. So it is also already good, but let us try to make it some more. Let us try to make it with some more designs. We just have to make it simple. That's all. Okay. So let us try to check how it makes with how the design gets loaded with the design of the model Gemini 3.10, 3.1 Pro. And if it doesn't make the design good, then we will now go to client, then source, then pages, and we will see the dashboard page. We will then copy the entire code of the dashboard page and go to Claude, as we have already exhausted the limits of Sonnet and Opus here. So we will now directly go to the website of Claude from Anthropic, and then we will ask the AI to make the design more beautiful. Once done, we have to create the API to update the states. The view all option is also not working. Overall progress, it's also displaying some dummy data. We have to make the changes over here as well. All right, let us now reload the page. Yes, we can now see the design is much better as compared to the previous one. All right. Yep. Now it's much better as compared to the previous one. We will also check, and we can see the mobile navigation is still not working over here. Correct. So, okay. So here we can see the mobile navigation. It's also looking good. We can keep it in the same way. All right, then. So we can mark the dashboard page as completed. In the next lecture, we will try to update the states for the dashboard.